How to make all clips same length in CapCut. So if you want to make all clips same length in CapCut, then first you need to open up your CapCut application. Once you open up your CapCut, tap on New Project and then select your clips. Once you've selected your clips, you just need to simply go with Add, which is on the bottom right, and now the clips has been added, right? So in order to make all the clips same length in CapCut, there's no automatic process. You need to do it manually. So you just need to simply make it small, and here you will have your clips, right? So you just need to simply go with your clip, the first clip. Once you've selected, you can simply drag it to the right to make it short, or you can go with the second end or the last end, which is right here, and drag it to the left. As you can see that I've taken 20 seconds of the first clip. And if you want to take 20 seconds of the next clip, then you just need simply again go with the 20 seconds and split it. And after that, delete the excessive part. And again go with the third clip and again do it manually. So that's how you can make all clips same length in your CapCut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.